Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to prevent students cheating on Google Forms. First, click the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select Google Forms. Choose the quiz you want to secure. Click the puzzle piece icon for add-ons. Search for Form Presenter plus Timer and install it. This tool lets you add time limits and restrictions that make it harder for students to cheat. Under Time Control, set how long students have to finish the quiz, plus a start and end time. This way, the form is only accessible during your chosen schedule. Next, go to Action Control. Here, you can enable or disable features depending on how strict you want your quiz settings to be. And here's a quick teacher tip. Shuffle questions or randomize answer questions in your Google form so students don't all see the same order. And that's it. That's how to prevent students cheating on Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.